Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey, and Daytona, Florida. So, this was one of the giveaways. This was a complete Stage 3 package that we did on this Road Glide Ultra. We ended up doing the VFL Rebel 3000.1, VFL Rebel 900.4. We did Stallion Series Neo 6.5s in the fairing and in the tour pack pods. We did the 8-inch XD8s by American Bass inside the saddlebags. We use NVS Audio RCA's oxygen-free copper wiring. We use an NVS Audio AK4 kit, which gave us a 4-gauge power and ground to the fairing, 4-gauge power and ground to the tour pack. We ended up using NVS Audio grills and NVS Audio horns in the fairing. Bike sounded really, really good. It was easy to tune. We dropped an HKI Mini DSP in it, so it was easy to tune. You'll see later on the video in the RTA. These speakers sounded really good. It was easy to get everything to blend together. The bass was nice, strong. Since it was an 8-inch woofer in the back of the saddlebag, he had to keep 2/3 of his saddlebag space. So the build came out really good. Client was happy. We were happy. Check out the build.
Eating live, eating right. Money, pound, step, money, pound, step, money, pound, step. Key to life.
Only time to tell how the clock tick.
So we're running the American Bass Stallion Series 6.5 Neo. We got them in the fairing. Little pod modification, get them to fit. Now we're doing them in the tour pack. We're removing the anemic factory speaker. In order to make this work, 3/4 inch spacer is necessary. They line right up.
I'm about to throw down, thinking hand, the shit that has you turned down. A little city, chilling in the North Bay. Needless to say, my boys don't play fool. You're beside and you know how the sound goes. In the back, sipping purple triangles. Don't look for trouble, but it always seems to find us. 40 gripping pennies, sipping, and the streets are right behind us. Quick walk, one blow, KO. Hit the road to the next episode. In the saga of a few fellas. Oh, what the hell? I guess I better tell ya.